Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Camry key. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program. Make sure the driver's door is open while all other doors are closed. It is crucial that the key is completely out of the ignition before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth start to the programming sequence. To enter programming mode, insert the key into the ignition and quickly remove it 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door twice within 40 seconds. Repeat the key insertion and removal once, then close and open the door 2 more times. Finally, insert the key into the ignition, leave it there, and close the driver's door. Now turn the ignition to the on position, then immediately turn it off and remove the key. The power door lock should cycle, locking then unlocking, within 3 seconds, indicating successful entry into programming mode. Within 40 seconds, press the lock and unlock buttons on your fob simultaneously for 1.5 seconds. Then, immediately press and hold only the lock button for 10 seconds. After holding the lock button, the door locks will cycle once, confirming your key fob is successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat the button pressing sequence for each one within 40 seconds. To exit programming mode, simply open the driver's door. Finally, test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.